And then as you exhale, both hands to the inside of the left foot. We keep turning the feet, walking the hands to the side of the mat. We meet in our Prasarita Padottanasana, wide-legged fold. Again, you can take a little rock from side to side, or maybe just a little sway as you bring your hands to ragdoll. Releasing your hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana, flat back extension. Exhaling to fold. Left hand stays on the mat as you inhale, reach the right hand up. Feeling that stretch across the inner thighs. Exhale to fold. You go to the other side, reaching the left hand up. And exhaling to fold. Inhale, half lift, reaching the chest forward. And this time as you exhale, both hands come towards the front of the